Today's video is on the top 3 best slow pitch softball bats. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Easton Hammer Slowpitch Softball Bat. What if you could step up to the plate with a bat that gives you both explosive power and easy swing speed? That's exactly what the Easton Hammer Dual Stamp Slowpitch Softball Bat is designed to do. Whether you're playing a friendly weekend game or competing in a serious league, this bat is built to help you hit farther and play with confidence. It's crafted for adults who enjoy both recreational and competitive slow pitch softball. And it's all about giving you that extra edge at the plate. One of the biggest highlights is its ALX 50 military grade aluminum alloy design. That might sound technical, but in simple words, it means the bat is tough, reliable, and built to last. This alloy isn't just about durability though, it's also engineered to give you faster swing speeds. The large sweet spot it creates makes connecting with the ball feel effortless, even when the pitch isn't perfect. Imagine the satisfaction of sending the ball soaring with just the right swing. Now let's talk about the power-loaded design. Right out of the wrapper, this bat is ready to bring serious pop to your game. You don't have to break it in or wait for it to perform at its peak. It's designed to give you premium hitting power from day one. Every swing feels solid, and the ball jumps off the bat with energy that makes your hits look and feel stronger. Comfort is another key feature. The Easton Hammer comes with an ultra-thin 29/32-inch handle wrapped in an all-sports grip. That might sound like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference when you're playing in different weather conditions. Whether it's hot, cold, or somewhere in between, the cushioned grip keeps your hands comfortable and steady. No slipping, no blisters, just reliable control every time you step up to bat. This bat also gives you options when it comes to size. You can choose from 3 different sizes: 34/25, 34/26, or 34/28. That flexibility means you can pick the one that feels best for your swing style and strength. In short, the Easton Hammer Dual Stamp Slowpitch Softball Bat is tough, powerful, comfortable, and versatile. It's made to maximize your swing speed and hitting distance, helping you perform your best every time you step up to the plate. Smash that subscribe button like you're crushing a softball out of the park. Number 2, best overall, Miken Slowpitch Softball Bat. Ever wonder what makes a softball bat stand out from the rest? Sometimes it's not just about the look. It's about the small details that change the way you swing, hit, and feel at the plate. This bat is loaded with those game-changing details, and once you know what they are, you'll see why it's designed to give you more power and consistency every time you step up to swing. Let's start with the barrel diameter. This bat features a 2 1/4 inch barrel diameter, which is the standard size you'll find in slow pitch softball bats. What makes this important is the balance it creates between control and power. A barrel that's too big can feel heavy and slow, while one that's too small doesn't give you much hitting surface. At this size, you're getting the sweet spot that players count on for reliable performance. Moving on, the barrel length comes in at 13 inches. Now, that extra length matters more than you might think. A longer barrel means you have more surface area to make contact with the ball, giving you a bigger sweet spot to work with. Whether you're hitting down the line or trying to push the ball deep into the outfield, this added length makes your swing feel smoother and more forgiving. It's almost like having a little extra insurance built into your bat. But here's where things get really interesting: the swing feel. This bat is built with a slightly end-loaded swing thanks to Miken's max load half-ounce barrel load. What does that mean in simple terms? The weight is shifted slightly toward the end of the barrel, which adds momentum to your swing. If you're the type of hitter who loves sending the ball flying with extra distance, this feature is made for you. That half ounce doesn't sound like much, but once you start swinging, you'll feel the difference in the way the bat drives through the ball. Another standout feature is that this is a 2-piece all-alloy softball bat. That's right, it's not made from composite materials, but from a strong, durable alloy construction. The two-piece design helps reduce vibration when you make contact so your hands don't take the brunt of the impact. Instead, the energy is redirected into the ball, helping your hits go further with less sting in your grip. Finally, the bat uses a multi-wall alloy design. This isn't just for show, it's about performance. The layered walls inside the barrel create a trampoline effect, which means the ball jumps off the bat with more pop. It's built to give you consistent power. Whether you're playing in a weekend league or a competitive tournament, when you put all of these features together, you get a bat that's not only powerful, but also forgiving, durable, and designed to give you confidence at the plate. By the way, which of these Slowpitch softball bats would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1, our pick. Worth Slowpitch Softball Bat. What if you could step up to the plate with a bat that feels perfectly made for your swing? The Worth Slowpitch Softball Bat isn't just any bat. It's built with features that bring out the best in your performance. Every detail works together to give you smoother swings, stronger contact, and the confidence to deliver when it matters most. Let's take a closer look at why this bat stands out. First, let's talk about the balanced swing weight. The weight is evenly spread throughout the bat from top to bottom, which makes it feel natural in your hands. This balance allows you to control your swing with ease, boosting both speed and accuracy. It doesn't matter if you're aiming for long, powerful hits or focusing on steady line drives. The even weight distribution helps you keep your swing consistent and smooth. Now onto the X868 barrel technology. This 13-inch barrel is designed to increase flex while expanding the sweet spot. And let's be real, everyone loves a bigger sweet spot. It means that even when you don't hit the ball perfectly on center, you still get powerful, explosive contact. That extra room for error gives you the confidence to swing freely, knowing that your bat has your back. The R-Flex handle adds another layer of comfort and control. This handle isn't too stiff and it isn't too flexible. It sits right in the middle, giving you the best of both worlds. You get enough stiffness to deliver power, but just the right amount of flex to keep your swing feeling comfortable and natural. Every swing feels smooth, controlled, and ready to pack a punch. Then there's the one-piece composite construction. Unlike bats made in several pieces, this single-piece design gives you a firmer, more solid feel. Why does that matter? Because it maximizes energy transfer. All the power from your swing flows directly into the ball, creating explosive contact and powerful results. You'll notice the difference instantly, especially when you hear that crisp sound as the ball jumps off the barrel. In the end, the Worth Slowpitch Softball Bat brings together balance, control, and strength. From its perfectly weighted design to its advanced barrel technology and durable construction. It's built to help you step up with confidence and deliver solid, powerful hits every time. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.